Hey, welcome to another Practice with Pete, the safe space to practice functional English. And today we are in the kitchen and we're looking at the preposition for and how to use it to describe function. Hi there. I've been teaching English for over 20 years, and one of the biggest problems my students have is with the prepositions for and to and when to use them. Do you have problems with for and to? Look at these sentences. Which do you think are correct? I'm here to learn English. I'm here for learning English. I'm here for the English lesson. I'm here for learn English. I'm here for to learn English. Which are correct and which are not? Okay, let's have a look. The first one is correct. We use to explain why we do something. If you got that wrong, check out this video. The second one is wrong. We don't use for and the ing form to express why. What about number 3? It's correct. We can use for and a noun to express a reason why. What about number 4? Number 4 is wrong. We can't use for plus an infinitive. We only use for with the ing form. And number 5, I'm here for to learn English. This is wrong. We can't use for and to at the same time. So, when can we use for and the ing form? One of the most common uses is to describe the function of things and to answer these questions. What do you use this for? Or, what's this used for? Or simply, what's this for? So to give you some examples of this, we're going to look at some things that we use in the kitchen and what we use them for. Question: what do we call the things that we use in the kitchen? And the answer is utensils. Kitchen utensils. What's this? It's a kitchen knife. What's it for? It's for cutting things. Notice the pronunciation of for is very weak. It's like f. It's hardly pronounced f. It's for cutting things. It's for cutting things. What do I use it for? I use it for cutting lemons. I use it for cutting lemons. It's also possible to say I use it to cut lemons. I use it to cut lemons. Which is more common? Have a look at this graph. I use it to cut lemons is much more common than I use it for cutting lemons. Notice the pronunciation of to is also weak. To. I use it to cut lemons. I use it to cut lemons. What's this? This is a whisk. A whisk. What's it for? It's for whisking things. Another word we use is beating. It's for beating things. What do I use it for? I use it to beat eggs. What's this? This is a peeler or a potato peeler. What's it for? It's for peeling vegetables. What do I use it for? I use it to peel carrots and, of course, potatoes. What's this? This is a grater. What's it for? It's for grating things. What do I use it for? I use it to grate cheese. What's this? It's a smoothie maker. What's it for? It's for making smoothies. What do I use it for? I use it to make a smoothie in the morning. So good. Okay, now it's practice time. So I'm going to show you 3 kitchen utensils, and I want you to tell me what they are, what they're for, and what you use them for. Ready? Number 1. What's this? What's it for? And what do you use it for? Number 2. What's this? What's it for? And what do you use it for? And finally, what's this? What's it for? And what do you use it for? Okay, keep practicing. I want to see all those answers in the comments, and I'll help you if there's any mistakes. That's why I'm here, to give you a bit of feedback and a bit of correction. If you're a new visitor to Practice with Pete, don't forget to press the subscribe button, then you won't miss any of the future videos. Like the video if you like it, and check out all my other links. I've got links to Facebook page, Instagram, and other social media. So look forward to seeing you next time, and keep practicing. Bye.